cheese. I like Sweden. Sweden is in Europe, right? Sweden. It's like a peninsula, right? Peninsula, Sweden, peninsula, like your neighborhood is, I think, Sweden, Norway, I guess. Thank you for staying. So we're going to make the cheese. We're going to melt the cheese. And then, of course, let's have a taste. Let's taste it. Mm. Mm-hmm. Yum. Yeah, in North Europe and it's 4 in the morning here. OMG, why are you still awake? Like you need to sleep. Does it make you hungry? OMG. Yes, yeah. I'm hungry now. I'll go send some for you. I'll have it I'll send it to you like via YouTube. Yeah. So we're just going to wait a little bit more, like maybe 3 minutes or 5 minutes. The cheese is not melted yet, so we need to melt it before we go. And of course, I have a cream here. Is it okay if I put pecorino in the sauce? Sure, but I don't know what is pecorino. I'm not familiar with that. This is a creamer to make it more creamer. I'm going to add. I don't know what is pecorino. Maybe that is not available here in our country. Actually, I'm from the Philippines and not familiar with that kind of ingredients. So maybe you can enlighten me about that, because I'm not really familiar with it. Okay, so almost done. See? Hello. Hello, Aileen Paris. It is salty cheese, more like salty parmesan. Ah, okay. So I don't have that at home, but I already added cheese, like some melted cheese. Maybe next time I'm going to check on the supermarket to have that one, so that I can try it. But anyway, this one is, I think, pretty good. See? Looks good. What are you cooking? I'm cooking tuna pasta. Thank you. So we're going to make it boil more, a little bit more. Let's put the takip. I think we're good to go. Let's wait a little bit more.